Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. If you want to know all the details about today's unit, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is UNice Hair. I've actually worked with them, you guys, so many times. I believe this is my 10th collaboration with UNice Hair, so that should tell you guys something. Today I have installed a 24-inch 4x4 Jerry curly wig. Okay, so I'm noticing this wig is fitting maybe a little small. Maybe. You guys, if I sound different, it's because I'm a little sick. We're going for a simple middle part today because a middle part always looks good with this style of wig on me. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Okay, we can see my bleaching. Might have over bleached it a little bit. I will go in and fix that afterwards. In between time, I'm gonna use my little pen that I have. I'm gonna do some baby hairs right here. I don't know where my mousse is, you guys, so I'm just gonna use some gel. I'm gonna use the Eco Style gel. And the only reason I use this is it literally just gives it scalp. It gives it like you're wearing a wig cap underneath. So that's why I like to do that. Not necessary, but it's just something I like to do. Then lastly, I like to go in to spray that little line there. This is what the curls looks like if you comb through it. You know the vibes. So for my curly wigs, I like to use a few things for styling. I use brushes, combs, but when I'm using a brush, I like to either use a paddle brush like this. Don't mind the hairs, it's what we do over here. Or I like to use the Denman brush for detangling. More so when I'm washing the hair, so when I'm like washing or conditioning the wig. And then also a wet brush for more looser curls because it's more flexible, but I wouldn't necessarily use the wet brush for this install because it needs a more firm bristle. I did just recently wet this hair. It's not completely dried everywhere, so I really don't need to like do too much. I'm just gonna focus on the top area because the underneath, as you guys can see, those curls are already defined. We're gonna go in Aunt Jackie's curl mane. When I was editing the video for one of my most recent curly wigs, I noticed that the back, when I put this product, I didn't comb through it, like brush through it enough. So the product was still like left there and I could see like the little white mark, the color. So this time I'm gonna really make sure that I saturate it, but then I also like run through it to make sure that it's mixed in so we don't have any spots like that. Because I couldn't use that portion of the video and that really ticked me off, okay? So we don't want that again. Wow, this wig is beautiful though. So far, I'm really loving her. I find when you comb it, it really defines the curls. So something about the comb, I don't know, just does it for me. I'm gonna put some gel at the back and at the ends. I do have to run some errands after this and I don't want it getting really big. So maybe the mixture of the conditioning cream and the gel will be the perfect balance of not crunchy, but still holding. We'll see, I'll let you guys know in another video. Because if I like it, I'll do that again, you know what I'm saying? So if you know you want volume while it's wet, comb through it and then just leave it. Because when it's wet, it's still gonna keep the form. Just play with it, right? Like, just run your hands through it and then rework those curls and then just leave it alone and don't touch it and let it dry like this. It's gonna look fire, I promise you. Super cute. This is the install. Now, it is a pretty straightforward install because it is a closure wig, so there's not much to say about it. When I opened the package and I saw that they gave us this beautiful robe, hello, check me out, and it says UNice here and it says UNice on the back, I was like, girl, thank you. I needed an outfit for today's video. Now I have one. So that was really surprising. That was my first time getting a robe from them. They always hook it up with the free gifts. Like, if you guys are ever wondering, like, do you guys get those gifts too? I believe you do. I'm pretty sure those are the standard gifts and things that they give, they include with their units. So it's amazing. I've never seen anyone give away an entire robe. Like, what? And it's super silky, super soft, so loving that. But let's talk about the unit, guys, because that's what you're really here for. This wig is stunning. This is the Jerry curl texture, so you guys know Jerry curl is very tightly coiled curls. As you can see, it's very, very curly and it's giving, it's very full. I believe this is the 180% density. The density is really full. It's just giving very much like perfect fullness. You don't need any more hair on this wig, that's for damn sure. The curls are starting to dry as we're talking and it's looking really cute. I'm liking the volume. I do like how it's laying mostly flat for the most part. It's not so big here because that's not the look that I was going for with this unit. I wanted it to be more sleek down curly. So yeah, definitely achieved that. 2 thumbs up for this wig, you guys. I love UNice hair. I always work with them because I always get good hair. It's affordable. It's a pretty well-known company, so I feel like it's pretty trusted in the industry. Anytime I get the opportunity to work with them, I definitely jump on it, and they've never led me wrong since. If you want to purchase this wig in today's video, you can find the link to that in the description box below, as well as all of my other information, my social media handles. You'll find it there as well. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel out, and it also helps me decide what wigs to put on my online store and what wigs to do giveaways for. Anyways, guys, I've rambled on for too long. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. What am I doing with my hands? I don't know, but maybe it's pointing you to the subscribe button right here. Don't forget to do that before you go if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. Now, guys, I'm officially gonna go. Bye.